Evening all, welcome to another Playchess Blitz. I think we'll do a bit of bullet to start off with, see how that goes. I'm just waiting for this preview here. I'm going to mute there and set off for a bullet game. Hope audio and visual is okay. So bishop d6. Oh. Okay, so 94, yeah, okay. Switch your rook in somewhere. This g-file. Is it taking on d5? Protect d5. It's tricky right now. c6 is on the fire. Protect c6 at least. Maybe h5, h4 is possible. The rooks are holding each other. Okay, I wonder if you can hear the audio. I hope it's okay. So he's got this infiltration on the c file. Let's. Oh, can I unpin? I'll trade this rook. Oh, this is a bit scary. Oh, he's not that quick though. That's the only thing. All right, this one could be quicker, I guess. 1872. Bishop c5. I think this is an interesting system. Oh, e4. E4 could have been tasty. Oh, he's getting me to move this knight back. That's not very nice. He's got d5 control. This is a bit of a pain at the moment. Oh. Ah! Don't tell me I'm losing another pawn. I'm going to take it. Oh! Falling to bits. Knight f5 to d4. He could have taken another pawn. Knight d4. Takes that off. Right. Undermine the centre. Not. Right, queen f6. Is it taking here? I'll sack back the exchange. Or not, keep c5 and blocked at least. He's pushing through for c5. It's tactically possible, I guess. Can I do something with his king there without getting mated myself? King e1. Got an attack with my king here against his king. I thought I did. Oh, okay, he's not that quick, but he was pretty dangerous. I thought he was pretty dangerous. G3. He was doing very well. He could have taken 2 pawns, been 2 pawns up. F4 maybe, F5. Is that the plan here? I think he's pretty solid actually. He's pretty solid at the moment. D4 coming up, okay. Queen H5 maybe. I'm tempted. I was tempted for, yeah, D5. I was tempted for D5. Is my centre a bit vulnerable? I guess it is. I can take with the rook here. Seems a little bit on the vulnerable side, this centre. Oh, it's got rook e1 as well. Okay. Oh, this is a bit annoying. Exchange of queens then. Oh, there's bishop b7 if I need it. Bishop a3 is a bit artificial looking. Bishop a3, that's not too hot, is it? I took it though. This pawn needs to be pushed, I think. Okay. Hi there. So hope you've been enjoying the Leela chess games in the mornings. I've been putting priority on that at the moment. Actually, I did a few opening playlists today on weird and wonderful gambits. So like, there's some extra playlists if you want to check it out on the channel as well. I had good success with this line on Bishop G5. I've had good experience with this because there's a lot of pressure immediately on C3. There's D4 here. I think this is bad for white. This is simply bad for white. No Queen D2. Oh, hang on. Let's hold this though. We'll check. Otherwise, put this back on F2 maybe. I need to protect D5 or not? Just a hit. Oh, he's going for knight F4. Okay. What did he play here? Right, so he can't move the knight, but I can't budge his knight either. This is the pain. Oh, there's D4 for bishop C4. Oh, there was. Okay, knight F3 coming up. If I trebled here, he's not going to give me a form pawn. Oh, he is. The dreaded form pawn. So I wonder, Queen E6. Is he playing E4? Have I got Queen E6? Is Queen E6 doing anything? Probably doesn't do much. Get the queens off then. Hold this for a moment. Okay. Try and open up this H file rather subtly if I can. Maybe a bit too subtly. I can't. Can I? H file. Okay, he's a bit slow. Adam Sage, loving the game. Cool. Plaids. This Pox G3 system. Poxy G3. Sometimes it's okay. Is he taking that? He has got the check if he wants. Okay, I think this is okay. I'll play King H2 to protect. Okay, that's not an issue now. This looks interesting for me. I think this E file looks pretty comfortable. Can I do something with this E file? Protect this pawn. Oh, hang on. He looks actually. He doesn't look that bad here. Have I got anything? Have I got anything here? Oh boy. Can I nick a pawn? That's about all I got. I'm nicking a pawn. Oh, at the expense of my king. Let's go back to rescue the king. Get the queens off here or something. Oh, Queen F3 would have exchanged off the queens. Let's do that here. Try and use this extra pawn that I stole from earlier. Oh no, I shouldn't have allowed King E5. Oh that would have been terrible. Infiltration. Okay. I think there's still something going for this. B4 prepared for A5. There's still something going here. pawn I nicked earlier is apparently important. Leader Series Rocks, thanks Mifun Raj. Okay, I'm just playing Bullet at the moment, so you might be wondering why. I don't know, there's something relaxing about Bullet. I want to see where I can go on Bullet, because someone did nearly beat me last week, so I'm not that great at Bullet. I mean, but let's see. So Queen B6. Alright, so Bishop A6, come on. Could have stopped him castling. Inaccuracies, huh? Inaccuracies. Bishop A6. Try and protect this with a knight move somewhere. Oh, maybe knight G4 would be good for F2. Does he play H3? No, he doesn't. Knight F2 threatens. Knight E4 D5. So I'm thinking knight F2. By the way, in case you're wondering if something's influenced my bullet, has Leader influenced my bullet? Not. I noticed I was getting opened up simply, so all the positional lessons, they mean very little. If you get opened up, even in bullet game, it becomes a matter of like calculation. So that's something to watch out for. You know, I thought I was picking up a lot of concepts, but it's very difficult to apply at fast speeds. Calculation, not being opened up. That's why I was quite interested in the games today, looking at how Leader was okay in even the Najdorf against Stockfish. I thought that was quite fascinating from a sort of point of view of shutting down all the tactics, if possible, in the position. And it seems, you know, sometimes that's easier than French defence territory. Alright, here we go. 29 seconds. That's quite a clock advantage. Alright. Sanjuro. So this Slav Gambit might be all 95 for Queen B3. Let's play like this. This is intriguing. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll create some weaknesses here for a laugh. Would he take on C3? Yeah. Okay. Do I get anything from here? This is intriguing. That A file would have thought is a little bit of dynamic play. I'm going to take here now to get F5 control. Actually, I don't know. Wow. What do I do here? What do I do? Okay, bring the king up. We're going to be having an endgame, aren't we? Which I have no clue if I've got an edge or what here. Bishop F5. He takes, I guess. I get pass pawn potential. Is my king ever able to pass through? Aha, I think it can get over here. Oh, check. That bishop's dropping. Okay. Oh, nice nickname. Dead or dead? Dead or alive? Spaghetti westerns. Wanted, dead or alive? Or macaroni westerns, as they're sometimes known. The old macaroni westerns, Clint Eastwood. Okay. Knight F4. Maybe G5, G4. G5, G4 looks good to me. Just going for an attack. Brutal attack on the king side. Why not? Can't see a problem, especially with this bishop pinning that pawn. Can't see the problem with this directness. at the moment. Knight f4 check coming in. Okay, checkmate. Okay. What? Well, oh, hang on. Is this what's happening here? Don't know. So, whoa, are we getting a bullet game? I hope I didn't just forfeit and win at a bullet game. So knight f3. Okay, let's put the pieces in the center. Hope for the best. I think I can chase this guy back now. Bishop e3, bishop b6. Gives me knight c7. That could be fun. There's bishop f7 or knight takes. I'll go with well, that takes a rook off anyway. And is there anything spectacular here? Can't see it. I don't want to lose on time. I can mow a few pawns down here. We'll check. But then what? But then what? Oh, I have the other knight ready for knight f7. I think that's what I'll do. So ready and waiting for knight f7 or queen d6. Oh, there's knight f5. Queen d6 and then knight f7. Right. Oh, do I take on e5? Okay, okay. Sicilian, accelerated. Oh, is e5 dangerous? Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have allowed that. That was probably a bit silly. Am I getting in big trouble? Maybe that f5 square is a prize. Yeah. Prize square to get this f5. e5 is vulnerable. Ah, I thought that was protected. Is it not? Okay. Bishop a6 coming up. What do you do? c3, yeah? Looking at the score sheet there, wasn't watching. Pay attention. Hold the e7. Hold against g4. Against g4. Knight h4 maybe. He's quite keen on that, isn't he? Knight f3's coming. Potentially. His pressure's a bit stubborn. Can I undermine this knight with rook b5? Bishop f4. Rook e5. Oh, cooking gas. Okay, cooking the gas there. Hack attack line. Nakamura favourite. Foxwood's open. Beat GM Ali Nakamura with this very direct approach. The hack attack of the H pawn system. Very direct on e6 here. Maybe CD is still possible, but let's pin that. No, it's not. I'll lose G5. That wouldn't be funny. To lose G5 with bishop A3. It would not be amusing in the slightest. Okay. I'm still holding D4 from G4. Got to be careful here. Maybe bishop G6. Alright. That's better good news. Queen H5. Queen H5. G4 and bishop F4 come to mind. Because I can't play rook H8 at the moment. That's a pain, isn't it? I wonder if knight F7 doesn't do anything. Blimey, what's happened to him? Okay. Power, tower of power. Powerful tower. Trebling. Rook H8. Okay. Trebling for rook H8. Hi Capablanca. Hi there. Oh. This guy's going to be a tough cookie, right? I'm down on the clock. Already? I'm down on the clock already. 3 seconds down. Try and pre-move like crazy. Just cost the exchange. G5. Prepare G5. Whoa. Yes. No, not there. That doesn't do anything. He stopped my my G6. He's just stopped my G6. Oh, what a disaster! What a disaster! My first big challenge, and I've really been mashed. Oh, I wonder if I can get a rematch. Okay, I'll give the applause. I wonder if I can get a rematch from this guy. Where's rematch? It's over here. Okay, I don't know. Ooh. Can I get revenge? Pre-moving a little bit more percentage-wise in this game, so I'm getting a more competitive clock advantage. Still got, I think I have a reasonable attack here. Well, this looks vicious. Knight F3, bishop F3. Yes. All right. Okay. He offers a rematch. Let's have a rematch. That's a bit of a dangerous pre-move, King H2. He could have just taken on. Yeah, I shouldn't do that sort of dangerous pre-move. Taking a bit too many risks. Oh, this looks nasty. Oh, I don't like this. Uh-oh. He's not letting my king escape, is he? That protects G2 for a moment. Ooh, this guy's dangerous. This guy's dangerous. Oh, wanted to play him again. Ah, too late. Should have done a rematch. Ah. Oh, that was a danger guy. Maybe coming up soon this round. A bit of variety anyway. Okay. Yeah. Oh, not there. Come on. Let's not give up the exchange for nothing. Oh. Oh, now this is tricky. This is now very tricky. Can I put some pressure on the center? Oh boy, this looks horrendous. Stop rook e1 for a moment. Was my queen actually trapped? Oh, Gould and Bennett. My queen's actually trapped there. He's giving me a rook back. That's generous. 9 seconds. Ooh! What's happening? Okay, he offers a rematch. I'll accept. He's not so quick on the pre-moves, this one. I'll accept the rematch. Let's try and beat him on the board. Oh! Again, very problematic. Oh, why have I given that square? Knight f5. Why did I give that square? Why do I feel I'm getting positionally done over? Yeah, is it because I'm getting positionally done over? Minority attack. Okay, I managed to beat him on the board there. Let's go on to someone else. Oh, 2200. Oh, I think that's a peak. I haven't been playing this that long. He's solid. Yeah, he's solid. Oh! And he's quick. Solid and quick. Oh, crikey. I got my work cut out here. G5 was actually threatened, I think. Slow down. Slow down. What's this? Alright. Finally. It's cracking. Oh, that was a tough guy. Bishop G5. Oh, yeah. Queen E4. Ah, should have waited for castling to hit C6 with benefits. Should have waited for castling. It's all in the timing. Can I switch? Oh, hang on. Let's give him back a piece voluntarily. No, let's go for the mate. Hit the queen. Go for the mate. Bishop G6 and Queen G7. Okay, I'll take the queen here though. Aha. Okay. I was just click 1 on this interface, see what I get. Did I really not get anything there? It looks as though I didn't get much. Yeah, okay. This is fun sometimes. Bishop. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean G3, but anyway, go with it. Why did I give up the rook? I didn't even see that. I didn't see that. Oh, there's knight a4 here. Okay, I think I'm going soon for that. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this session. I think I'm going to go soon after this game. There's knight a4 takes, and I'll take here, right? This check, don't think it matters. He put himself in a nasty pin. The nasty pin. Aha. Right. Let's keep the queens on actually, because I think the king's safety should be emphasized. Check and knight e5 check, for example. The king's safety must be emphasized. No, I fluffed it there. That was not clever. It was not funny. Not clever. And you. Alright, until next week. Thanks. Bit of light banter. Sorry. Yeah, like, okay. Until next week. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay. Thanks very much. Until, have a good week. Cheers then.